In this video, we'll see about Rigify layers, paint weights, and vertex groups. Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, log into creativepark.co.in to download the model. In last video, we saw about eye constraints and binding mesh to Rigify. The link of the previous video is given below the description. You can find the armature layers under the armature tab. We'll hide the girl geometry for now. First 29 layers are mainly used for animators, which contains control widgets. Layer 30, which contains the deformation bones. This is the only layer that will be parented to geometry. As you can see, all the joints are in green color. In pose mode, the joints in green color indicates that each joint holds vertex groups. Layer 31, which contains all constraints joints, which is used to drive other joints. Layer 32, which contains the original bones, which are similar to the meter rig. Now let's start fixing the weights to the girl geometry. There are two different ways to paint weights. The first one, select the geometry itself in object mode and go to paint weight. You have to know to which bone the vertex group belongs. Press Shift and right click. From the drop down menu, select the bone which you want to paint weight. The other way is to first select the bone in object mode and shift select the geometry. Now you can left click to select the bones. There are 4 different colors to indicate the value of paint weights. Red color indicates the bone contains 100% weights. Blue color indicates there are no weights assigned to the bone. Yellow color has 75% of bone weights, and green color has 50% of bone weights. Now let's set up the brush. We will see 2 different types of brushes that are mainly used. Add will add weight to the bone. Subtract will remove weight from the bone. Now let's start to paint from head mesh. Before we start, do not forget to click the checkbox Auto Normalize and X Mirror from Tools in View 3D panel. Auto Normalize understands how to share the weights based on the colors. By clicking X Mirror, you paint one side of the body, it automatically paints the other side. As you can see, the collar mesh is also affected when we deform jawbone. It's a simple trick to fix it. In edit mode, select a single vertex in collar mesh and press hotkey L. From vertex weights panel, click the delete weight to joints you need to remove weights. Carefully select the joint you need to share weights. And set the value to 1, which is 100% weight shared to single joint you selected. Thank you, see you soon another video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.